Welcome back to Hidden in the Stars. This week, our mysteries, myths, and misconceptions cover the widely controversial fate of the Milky Way Galaxy. First, let's start with what is going to happen to the Earth. According to NASA, some 6 billion years from now, our Sun will progress to its red giant phase. This means it will burn up all of the fuel in its core through hydrogen fusion, causing the core to grow smaller and smaller, heating as it goes, fusing heavy elements. Red giants are very violent. It's even theorized that the sun will bloat up so much that it will swallow Mercury and Venus. At this point, humans will be long gone. Earth will no longer be habitable, possibly earlier than the billion-year time frame expected. With the change in mass of the sun, gravitational pulls will be thrown off and orbits may become unstable. The Earth could be swallowed up by the sun like Mercury and Venus, or it could be thrown out of orbit to wander as an icy planet lost in space. Some scientists hypothesize that it could even continue orbiting what's left of the Sun as a white dwarf for a very, very long time. What happens to the Milky Way then? Well, it was thought that in around 6 billion years, the Milky Way Galaxy was going to merge with the neighboring Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is currently around 2.5 million light years away and is our largest galactic neighbor. However, on Monday, June 2nd, 2025, NASA released an article of 100,000 computer simulations they had run to reveal the Milky Way's fate. In this article, they say, quote, "But now that future may not be so certain." While some sources are saying the collision is a 50-50 chance, others are stating it's as little as a 2% chance of a head-on collision. Of course, most of these aren't too certain, with NASA having just released this new information. What is the fate of our Milky Way galaxy? Will we truly collide with the Andromeda Galaxy? If not, what will happen? The Milky Way becomes more likely to cannibalize the large Magellanic Cloud, which serves as a satellite dwarf galaxy according to Space.com. While this is all very open-ended and confusing, Space.com ends their article by saying, "Luckily, there will be more observational data coming very soon next year." So until then, thanks for tuning into this week's Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions. What would you like to hear next? Come along on our journey through the cosmos. Catch you next time on Hidden in the Stars.